How to withdraw USDT from Binance to Bybit. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how we can withdraw USDT from Binance to Bybit. So if you're wondering, these are the processes you may follow. Head over and open up the Bybit application first and log in into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be seeing the dashboard, this interface on your screen. And once you reach here, you can just go ahead and tap on this Assets tab at the bottom right corner of the screen. Just go ahead and tap on it. And once you reach over here, you can go ahead and look up for the deposit option right here. You can just go ahead and tap on it. And tap on deposit crypto. And under here, you're going to select up USDT. If you can't find it here, you can just go ahead and search up USDT on your search bar. Just go to type it and type in it here. Tap on it here. And then choose up a chain type like TRC20. Just go ahead and select it. And from here, you're gonna go ahead and copy up the address if it is available of the USDT. After that is done, you can just go ahead and close it up and open up your Binance application instead. And once you've opened up your Binance application, make sure you're logged in into your account. And then once you are logged in into your Binance application, you can head over and tap on the Assets tab at the bottom right corner of the screen. Just go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you will be finding this section here. So you can go ahead and tap on this Add Funds section. You need to have at least some coins or funds transferred. You need to have at least some coins in your account in order to withdraw the USDT. And once you have some funds available on your Binance already, you can just go ahead and paste up the address right here, and you should be able to withdraw your USDT from Binance to Bybit. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you. And thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful to you, and I will see you in the next one.